We live and work by the grace of God. There was somebody in this office, today is not here. Now he's giving us ultimatum from funerals. How he will make William Ruto a one-term president, as if that is an achievement. William Ruto's objective is not to serve for 2 terms. It is to use the time that God will give him in office to bring transformative programs in 1, 2, 3 areas so that other people can come and take Kenya forward. As his principal assistant, that is my objective too, to support him. So msikuja kututisha na 1 term, my friend. Mimi kwanza nimekuwa DP 89 days ni mingi. Nikitoka nitakuwa nimekuwa deputy president. List ikisomwa hata mimi nitakuwa hapo. Unatishwa na mambo kidogo hapa, sijui 2027 who will be the running mate, mambo ya upuzi. Useless. Na greed, that's what greed does to leaders. Yeah. Ile nyama inakujonga ni ile iko kwa sahani. Yeah. You get something and the next thing you're there scheming, harassing everybody. My friend, nani alikuambia hata tutakuwa ile? You don't know, so please. So sisi tuko focus. Na kama unatutisha na 1 term, tafuta another threat. Even 1 term is okay. Yeah, it's no problem. But the issue is, after that 1 term, what will he say? If William Ruto will say, at the end of my first term, I have moved the people insured with a health cut from 9 million to 40 million, he will be a successful Kenyan. Sindio? Yeah, so sisi tuko hapo.